Infection can spread fast, and at the heart of infection control is cleaning. Caring for older people includes caring for the place they call home. Effective cleaning demands constant vigilance every day, using the right equipment, the right techniques, making sure there are simply no opportunities for harmful microorganisms to spread. In our Altura Learnings course, Infection Control Cleaning, we discuss why cleaning is so important in the care environment, explain the precautions you need to take before you even get started, and outline the principles that go hand in hand with the different types of cleaning to prevent the spread of infection and keep everyone safe. Effective cleaning will save lives, and it's one of the most important jobs in our care homes today. Infection Control Cleaning, exclusive to Altura Learning.